Welcome to another RCM Level 4 Clapback video. This is example weekly test number 17. This is weekly test number 18. This example is in a 3/4 time signature and is 4 measures of length with an anacrusis. Go ahead and tap your foot along with me as I play. I will play the example 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Second time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Okay, go ahead and clap that back. For the answer, turn to page 47 of RCM's Level 4 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.